my name is Venkata Sai. I am student of IT Kharagpur. Today I am doing my sixth assignment in DIY. I am disassembling and assembling this table fan. Now we can see it whether it's working or not. Yeah, it is working. Let's disassemble it. We can see here there is a coil and here is the motor and this is the shaft. We can see this is rotating and we can open this. Here you can see this is the shaft which rotates and we can get the air. Okay. This is the bearing which holds this shaft and motor together and allows the rotation freely. Now we can see the bottom part and the main mechanism of this motor through which the connections are made. Now we can see these are the connections to the motor. This is the capacitor and this is the transformer. So that it step down. This is a step down transformer. As we receive higher voltage than the required voltage of this fan, this steps down the voltage so that the motor won't damage. Now we can assemble this and check whether it's working or not. Stop this. This is a regulator through which we can control the speed of the fan. Now we can assemble this. I have assembled this. Now let's check whether it is working or not. Yeah, now it's working. Thank you.